What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today I'm here at Black Ops Auto Pro, and this is a workshop where they basically do all types of car detailing. They do car modifications and everything like that, so they have a wide range of the stuff that they offer and the services. Today I'm actually getting my Camaro SS detailed inside and out. I'm going to get their tier 1 package, and they're actually about to pull my car in right now. So we're going to go over the before and after, of course, and I'll show you guys everything that they offer, and you'll see the process. So I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, so I am here with the owner's mom, and he's going to go over and tell you guys what they offer as far as the detail packages and go over what I'm actually getting today.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tagging along. My name is Moth, I'm owner here at Black Ops Auto Pro. We're doing a first gear package detail on this Camaro. That includes a hand wash, hand dry, we're going to clay bar it, and then we're going to do a light interior cleaning. That includes vacuuming, wiping down the interior, we're going to do the windows inside and out, and that's pretty much it. So it's a really nice maintenance wash. The difference between the second gear and third gear is second gear is a full detail inside or out. It kind of just targets whatever you're looking for, either or. And then the third gear is inside and out. It's the whole 9 yards. So
okay, cool.
Tag along and you guys will see what we do.
Heck yeah. So just giving them a little beforehand. It's not terribly dirty, but you know, yeah, it's not bad, but I do have a lot of bug spots on the front. Stuff like that. That gets a little tasking when you miss it, so, and all of that. Inside needs a good vacuum. You can see here, a little dirty on the floorboards, but got all my stuff in the way. So, see, a little dirty there, that there, yeah. But yeah, give it a little walk around, wheels. And I still got to get off my numbers here, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Oh yes, I got my wheel wells clean finally, because I feel like I never have the tool to get properly in there. Down the front, most of those bugs are gone. One last wipe down. Look at that. Looks good. I approve. I approve. Got the super sport and everything. Exhaust tips. Alrighty guys, I have made it home. Still looking fantastic. And I'll show you guys the interior. Vacuumed out, back, front, all of that. Even gave me some floor mats. Don't mind, still got the key inside. But yeah, everything looking good. If you're interested, here is some of their information. Here's everything that they do. Their hours. Look at all of that. You can check them out on Instagram. Check out their website. And of course, they even do automotive services as well. As you guys can see. They do all of this. So a very well-rounded shop. Very nice customer service. They were both amazing. And yeah, if I have some extra funds, then I'll be back again. But it's got a nice finish to it. So, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content. Make sure you check them out on Instagram as well and check out their services. They're really great people. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel because I do post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care.